Hey everyone, this is Banishri and welcome back to my channel Banishri's Vlogs. So today I'm gonna show you something very special. Guess it. So guys, before starting this video, I'd like to tell you that if you had not subscribed my both two channels, Banishri to Jit and Banishri's Vlogs, then quickly subscribe to both two channels and don't forget to give me a big hit of like and don't forget to press the bell icon. Anyway, let's get started. So guys, বৰ্তমান মই গৈ আছো চৰাইদেউলৈ। ঘৰ দেখা পালো ফুলৰ বাগিচাৰ So guys, এই ঘৰটো হৈছে আন্টিজনীৰ। So guys, পৰৱৰ্তী ভিডিঅ'ত মই আপোনালোকক চৰাইদেউ মৈদামখন দেখুৱাম।